My name is Rishish Chan. Today I am going to tell you what is water cycle. When the sun shines on sea, the heat of the sun changes some water into vapor. This is called evaporation. This is the first step of water cycle. This water vapor goes up into the air and forms tiny drops of water on meeting cool air. This is called condensation. Many such drops of water together form a cloud. When the clouds became heavy and cannot hold the water anymore, they fall in the form of rain. This process is called precipitation. The rain water again goes into rivers. This way, the water cycle in nature goes on and on and on.